Hey guys, Rob Amos here with Flea Market Flipper.
Hello.
Guys, we're going to give you some great information today on how to make money if you're stuck at home on...
Lockdown.
That's right, guys, lockdown. Are you guys stuck in the house right now and trying to figure out how to make some money for your family? These are the tips. We want to give you 5 great tips or steps to actually implement that will help you guys make some money.
Yeah, we've actually had one of our best weeks this week in our flipping sales, and we want to help you get started because it is something you can do from home. I mean, we've been home for the last couple weeks,
Yeah.
and the last 2 weeks, I think.
The kids have been out for 2 weeks out of school, so we're going on our 3rd week right now.
Yeah.
So you guys might be in the same boat. But guess what? Don't fret. If you're watching this video later and you're all back into normal business and stuff, you can still use these 5 tips. You guys can put these into play and make some money from home.
Yeah, so obviously we're talking about flipping because that's what we do.
That's what we do!
So we want to give you some steps to get started from home. You don't need any experience. You
Yep.
can just dive right in.
And you don't even have to leave the house, guys. This
Right.
is where we're giving you some, it might seem like beginner stuff, but guess what? This will help you make some money right now. That's what we're trying to do, is help people make some money to supplement your income. If you are not able to go to work and you have some time left over, have some extra time at the house, we want to give you some easy steps to follow to make some money.
Yep, so you ready to start?
Dive into it!
So the first one is to declutter and go through your house.
That's right, guys.
So obviously you're at home and you're probably notice that you might have a lot of stuff.
Yep, that's right. And you'll feel so much better if you actually start going through some of the stuff you have not used in 6 months, 8 months, a year. That stuff that is sitting in the pantry, a bread machine, a bread maker, whatever it is, sitting in the closet, shoes that you were gonna wear.
Good, and brand names are huge.
They are.
If you have good taste and you have some good brand name stuff that you don't ever use, that's great to flip.
Yeah.
Great to sell. Shoes, jeans, belts, all those are awesome.
That's it. Stuff in the closet, stuff in the garage, just anywhere in your house that stuff might have been sitting for the last 6 months, a year, even longer than that you haven't used. You had great intentions. Exercise equipment is huge right now. So you can definitely take advantage of that and create some cash off of the stuff that's sitting in your house not getting used.
And things that people want to do at home, like video games, video game consoles, all those stuff that still sell well.
Yes.
Definitely those things. Think about what people are doing at their house right now.
That's it. So that's step number 1.
Yeah.
We want you guys to look for that stuff. Declutter the house. You'll feel so much better getting the stuff out of the house, creating an income so you guys can go to the grocery, go do what you need to do right now to provide for your family.
Go find 5 things.
5 things.
Yeah, 5 things right out of your closet or any of the places that we talked about.
That's right. And then duplicate this, guys.
Yes.
You can keep doing this. You don't, we're giving you steps on how to do it inside your house. In the future, you can go outside the house and do this, but we want to give you applicable stuff right now without leaving your house to make that money.
And it seems simple.
It does.
Because it is. It really is simple. Because the second step right here is just to clean the item.
That's it.
Wipe it down.
Chances are, if it has not been used in 6 to 8 months, it might have some dust. It might have some, you might have to wash it if it's been in the back of your closet. It might smell a little stale or whatever like that. Throw it in the laundry. Make sure it's ironed if it's a shirt or jeans or whatever it is. Make sure it looks nice and get it ready to take pictures. So you want to do whatever you can to clean up that item to get it ready to sell.
Yep, and then that brings us to number 3.
3
is pictures.
That's it, guys. Get some great pictures. Melissa's awesome at this. She's better than me at the pictures. So take it away. Let them know what to do.
It's just basically a clean background. You want the item in the most of the picture. You don't want anything else in the item.
That's
because
it.
Sometimes you might see pictures of pets or
No pets.
clutter. No pets, no clutter. Just the item, nice and clean. Every angle. If you're gonna put it on eBay, you want every angle of the item. Any imperfections you want to talk about. Just get lots of good pictures and nice and bright. If you don't have any natural light in your house, you can use just a lamp and put it up close to it.
Yep.
You can brighten it with your photo editor, but don't change the color of it.
Yep.
You want to make sure that if you brighten it up, that you don't change the colors, because if somebody thinks they're getting, a purple thing and it ends up looking like more mauve or whatever.
Yeah.
Like, you just don't want to change the color. So make sure if you brighten it that you don't do that. So.
Definitely. So 2 definite takeaways. Do not have pets in the picture if you guys can help it, and clutter. The people do not want to see that who are buying stuff. Try to find a good place to do that and then get some good pictures of the item. So, which brings us to number 4.
Number 4.
Listing!
List it!
And this is a huge thing, guys. You can do this on many, many different avenues. But for what we're going to talk about, you want to do the local avenues. You want to use Facebook Marketplace. You want to use OfferUp. You want to use Craigslist, Let Go, Nextdoor. I think they have a Nextdoor app. Is that what it is? You can list on all these different avenues. Anything that you want. This is where you can do, if you're stuck in a lockdown, you can do a porch pickup. This is where you can do local stuff. Or, I mean, that's for ease. This is going to be the easiest way to create money quick. We use eBay. That's where we sell 80% of our stuff because it reaches
on eBay.
Exactly.
For sure.
It reaches a bigger audience. Plus, you can ship an item. You don't ever have to go see anybody or anything like that. So
just bring it to the post office.
That's it. So whatever your choice is, get the item listed. Get it on one of these avenues so people can see the item and buy it.
Mercari is another great one
Mercari.
for shipping too, and
Yes.
great for household items. Mercari, eBay, Poshmark's great for clothes. We don't want to overwhelm you with all the different options there are, but get them listed on a couple of them. And cross posting is always great too.
Yep.
And don't let the shipping scare you. It's not really that. It's not as scary as it seems.
No, it's not. It's not. But if you're scared and you're not ready to ship yet, don't worry about it. Do local pickups at meet at a public place. If you can't do that right now, you can do a porch pickup to where people can come and leave the money under your doormat and you can watch them do it. You don't have to interact with anybody. There's a lot of different options. Get creative, guys. You guys can do this. If you need to make the money, you have to take steps on being able to do these easy steps that we're giving you. You have to push forward to make the money.
And you already talked about number 5. That's fulfillment. So you sell the item, you make your money, and you ship it off. Or you do a porch pickup.
That's it.
So it just depends, or meet them. But
yep.
So it just depends. So fulfillment and make your money on
your
items.
That's it. So that's the last step is the fulfillment. That's when you get paid for it. If it's coming in, if you're selling on eBay, it's coming in through PayPal typically. Or if somebody wants to meet you and pay you cash, like they did yesterday to me. Somebody met me and bought a blower that I had, Billy Goat vacuum, leaf vacuum that I had. They met me, they paid me, and that was it. I got my cash. You can do that route with it or the shipping, which, like I said, a lot of the stuff we ship, I have to ship out 3 boxes today, and then I have to do some pallets tomorrow over the weekend that are going to go out at the beginning of next week. So, but these steps, guys, will give you guys, they will just give you the opportunity to make some money right now. If you're sitting at the house stressing, watching news, thinking how the world's going to end, don't do that right now, guys. You don't have to watch that news. Keep yourself in a more uplifted spirit. Get in, start decluttering, cleaning the house. Get rid of some stuff that you don't need that is just taking up space that you can make money on. That's what we want to do with this video.
And people are still buying, and they want to buy online, because they don't really want to deal in person. And I mean, we've sold 7 items, 8 items.
Yeah, 8 items within the last 24 hours.
Yeah,
sorry, 48 hours.
Yeah, at about $7,000. So, and they're all it's not hand sanitizer and Lysol.
No.
It's
no
all,
price gouging. We're just selling normal stuff that we usually sell.
That we normally sell, and it's all under retail. That's because we always sell about 50% of retail. Some things are different,
retail,
but that's our norm. And it's just normal lawn equipment. It's just different stuff. So, but people are buying still online.
That's it. This is a great point because people are sitting in the house and a lot of people are jumping onto those apps. They're jumping onto Facebook
they have
Marketplace.
More time.
That's it. They're sitting in the house doing that. So they're searching this stuff, thinking about stuff that they need or exercise equipment they need because they don't want to go, or the gym's closed down, or they don't want to go outside. That's it. So yeah, definitely this is the time to be listing and you can make some money off the stuff that is in your house.
Yep.
So, all right, you guys rock. Keep us around. Check out another video where we're trying to do as many of these videos as we can to actually give people some great practical steps to make money in this time. We know how hard it is. If your hours get cut back, I've heard of plenty of friends, their hours have got cut in half because they can't pay their employees. So if you're in that boat, guys, this is what we want to try and help. We want to try and help you be able to make some money for your family.
Yep, get through the next couple weeks.
That's it.
Sure.
All right, you guys rock. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.
All right, bye.
See ya.